Hey everyone, I'm sitting here with the realization that 2022 is less than a week away. And as I get older, it becomes more important to make next year count. I don't want to be sitting here next December saying, wow, I didn't accomplish any of the things I wanted to this year. This year sucks again. I don't care if you're talking about your finances, your fitness, your health, your career path, or anything else. 2022 will suck if you don't plan now and create the action steps to succeed in your goals. Now is the time to be proactive instead of reactive. I'm 6 years into my real estate career, and it's become clear to me that I can't just say, I want to sell more homes next year, or I want to help more families. With the help of my real estate coach, I created and document the plan in order to make those goals happen and lay out the various action steps I need to follow to create success. Hey, before we go on, please take a minute to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button and the notification bell. I would really appreciate it if you would do that for me. Whatever your big goals are for 2022, focus on the how instead of hope. Don't say, I hope to buy a house in 2022. Instead, contact a realtor like me and discuss the market conditions, your criteria, expectations, and figure out how to make it happen. Just be clear, prices aren't going down anytime soon and interest rates are projected to climb, so the sooner the better. That realtor then may put you in touch with a mortgage lender to make sure you'll be in the best possible position and qualified when you are ready. Don't say, I hope to buy an investment property in 2022. Instead, as with any goal, focus on how instead of hope. When I was in the corporate world, my vice president always said, hope is not a business strategy, and he was right. Right now is the time to talk to a local realtor, and if you're in the Dallas area, I'd love to be a resource. That realtor can help discuss your investment goals. You'd make us suggestions on what areas may be best for your investment purchase. I've got some areas that I suggest to my investor clients that should see aggressive growth in the next several years and be a highly profitable investment property. Hey, and some great news for those of you that already own a home, especially in the Dallas area. You have most likely seen some considerable equity gains in your home's value recently. You may be able to tap into that equity to purchase your investment property. I'd love to talk to you about that process. I guess what I'm trying to say is we have 5 days left to make the plan if we're going to hit the ground running to start out 2022. It's always exciting to talk about New Year's resolutions, business plans, big goals, and anything that would improve our lives. Just take notice that it's the people that make the action plans and then commit to them that will have the most success in reaching these goals. I'm excited for 2022. It's up to me to make sure it doesn't suck. I'll commit to doing the things I need to do to make my goals happen, and I hope you do too. Until next time, happy buying and happy selling.